Does your dog have kennel cough? This is a simple and effective home remedy. Number 1, green tea, 1 cup. I've let it sit, steep, and cool for 20 minutes. The green tea is antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory, getting to all of the underlying causes of kennel cough. Number 2, unpasteurized honey. The honey, it's a great natural antibacterial, antiviral, plus it coats the throat, decreasing the cough. 2 tablespoons of the honey mixed in with the green tea. Then number 3, this is lemon. The lemon is a great natural antioxidant. It also has some antiviral properties. It also can get to the underlying cause of the kennel cough. 2 teaspoons, standard dog dose, 1 tablespoon for 20 pounds of body weight, twice daily. And if you like tips like these, I encourage you to get a copy of my free book. Links in the bio.